Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate the video transcript of any YouTube video. So just head over to YouTube, then you locate any video at all that you want to generate the transcript, and you're going to want to click on the three dot icon. Of course, I'm just trying to do this with my video. So you click on the three dot icon and you're going to click on share, and then you click on copy to copy the video link. So you just want to head over to tactic right here. Of course, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So click the link in the description of this video and you're going to get to this web page over here. And right here, you can see enter your YouTube URL. Of course, I'm going to paste the URL which I just copied and click on get video transcript. And on this window, you can see that Tactic has successfully generated the video transcript, and you can see them right here. Okay, so you can scroll all the way down, then you can click here to copy the whole transcript, or you can select a portion to copy right here. Better still, you can click on download to download the TXT file. Okay, so what I'm just going to do is to click on copy right here, and I can go over to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell ChatGPT to remove the timestamps from the transcript. As you can see, the transcript right here has timestamps to them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and instruct ChatGPT to please remove the timestamps. I'm going to go to the next line, and then I paste in the script right here, and from the first 3 lines, which includes the free YouTube transcript, no title found, and the YouTube link, I'm going to just remove those, and of course I'm going to press enter. And guys, here you can see that ChatGPT has gone ahead and removed all the timestamps from the whole transcript, and you can see my transcript right here. So I can just copy it to use it for whichever purpose I want to use it for. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.